Hey guys, so this is your Conics quiz review. So we're going to start off with the fun questions, those completing the square. So what we're going to do is step one. We're going to put our x's together, and then we're going to get our y's together. And then what I'm going to do is just add my 36 to both sides. Oops. Okay. Now we're going to be dealing with a hyperbola, and I like my negatives in the middle. Also, hyperbolas, it's a minus sign. So what I'm going to do is just flip-flop these two. You can do it now or you can do it later. I just kind of like to do it now because it's on my head. Okay. So, we cannot have a 25 or any number in front of the term squared. So we're going to take both y's and we're going to divide by 25. Now that 25 cannot disappear. I'm going to give myself some space so it's not scrunched. So it'll be 25 times y squared minus 150 divided by 25. Is a negative 6y, and I'm going to leave myself a little bit of space. Now we're going to do the same thing. Oh, I dropped my squared. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, divide by negative 9. And we got to put it somewhere. So put it here, so x squared, please be careful, plus 4 x times something equals 36. Notice I have a 25 times something. We can't get rid of it. So it'll be plus 25 times something, and then a minus 9 times something. Okay. So you're just going to do negative 6 divided by 2, which is negative 3 squared, and we get 9. So we're going to do plus 9 here and plus 9 here. Repeat the whole situation with the 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, squared is 4. So plus 4 here, and a plus 4 here. Now we're going to get to that big factoring part. So we can't drop that 25 yet. So it'll be 25 times, now we're going to take the y squared, but just the y, and this minus 3. Since both of these terms are squared, we got to square the outside. Minus 9, repeat the same thing. X is squared, and this is a positive 2 squared. Now I got to type that whole thing in. Let's see, let me plus, we get 225. Okay. Now, because it is a hyperbola, we can't have it with numbers in the front here. So we're going to divide by 225. And then, again, divide by 25 here and here. So I'm going to get y minus 3 squared over 9. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. And I get y plus 2 squared over 25 equals 1. And we are done with this problem. So here we go with number 2. We're going to, oh, I forgot my equals 0. I'm a hot mess. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to, again, bring the x's together and the y's together. And I brought the 128 over. Okay, we have a number in front of x squared. Again, we can't have it, so we're going to divide both things by it. So it'll be 4 times x squared minus 10x. Leave yourself a little room. There is nothing in front of y squared, so we're just going to do plus, and if you want, we're just going to take out a 1. And we're left with y squared minus 16y equals negative 128. We're going to have plus 4 times something plus 1 times something. Do you have to have the 1 there? No, not at all. Just like before, take negative 10, divide by 2, we get negative 5 squared is 25. So 25 here and here. Repeat. So negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8 squared is 64. Fake factor time. So 4 times that x squared comes down minus 5 squared plus 1 if you like, y minus 8 squared equals negative 128 plus 4 times 25 plus 64. I get 36. And then we divide by 36, 36, and 36. Divide by 4. So we get x minus 5 squared over 9. That 1 literally can get dropped. Y minus 8 squared over 36 equals 1. Okay, and that is your answer. Yay! Okay, number 3. So this is going to be a hyperbola. Okay, so hyperbola, A is first. Okay, just writing ourselves a note. Okay, so our vertex. Actually, let's try this again. Our center. So it's going to be 2, negative 1. 2, negative 1. Okay. A is going to be the square root of 9 because it's the first, and that's going to be 3, and it's under x. So we're going to go right 3, left 3. 2, 3. V. 1, 2, 3. V. Now my vertices, those ordered pairs are going to be negative 1, negative 1, and 5 and negative 1. Okay. B is going to give us our covertices, square root of 4, which is 2y. 1, 2, 1, 2. So our covertices are going to be 2, 1, and 2 and negative 3. Okay, so this is our hyperbola. This is the one we would make the box. We can actually get away and just put our parabolas on the vertices. They're always on the vertices, okay? Now, we do need to figure out our foci. You see a minus? So the equation is going to be c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Whatever this is opposite. Okay, so c squared equals 3 squared plus 2 squared. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. C squared equals 13. So C equals, what's the square root of 13? 3.6. Now, remember, Miss Petrona loves her AC, and lately she's getting hotter. So A is X, therefore C is X. So you're going to go back to the center and count 3.6 to each side. So 1, 2, 3.6. 1, 2, 3.6. Let's call that, I don't know, 5.6 and negative 1. And, negative 1.6, negative 1. Okay. And you're good to go for that one. How am I doing on my time? Okay. I will do the next problems in the next video. I hope I catch you later. Bye, guys.